When I was when I was young, I used to would watch this literally.
This holiday season.
So they're making a live action movie to this old show. Well, it's not that old, I don't think. But I'm going after this short teaser, first look. Maybe soon we'll get an official full-length trailer. Right now we get 19 seconds of footage. And if y'all are wondering what that is, y'all can kind of see part of it right there. Clifford the big red dog. First look. Paramount Pictures. Yep. It's the teaser for the live action movie. Now I did see a little what he looks like in the movie. I don't mind it. It's supposed to be a live action movie. It's not a cartoon. So if it looks cartoony, people will be like, this is so fake. So, making them not look fake. Anyway, let's watch this.
This holiday season, we're thankful for the pets whose love got us through the year. But next year, get ready to love even bigger.
So yeah, that was about that.